Alright, so I have my mower here. It was giving me troubles with starting. Kind of just started taking it apart, not even thinking about recording it. Since I had to wait for a part, decided I'll show you guys. It was just clicking. So usually that's your starter solenoid, which is this right here. And this clicks and then this hooks up to the starter. But on this end, all this stuff's just melting. So I gotta see if I can pull that off of there. I don't know if you guys can even see it. So this is just melting on this right terminal. So I'm gonna replace that, see if that fixes my problem. And then I would show you it not starting, but I have the battery all out and not hooked up, so I can't actually show you. As I take the parts off, put the wires onto the new one, but I gotta tighten all this down first. So on this one, I need these clips. So I'm gonna tighten these down. I got my points there. So when I unplug one of these wires, unplug it, plug it on the same side as that one. So I know they go on the right way. Now I gotta take these off, which I'll do one at a time. I believe these are 7/16. No, they're gonna be half. They might be 7/16s actually, but that is also the melted side. Why did this not fit on there? They put these things in the worst spots. This was the side that fried. Whatever was on that's gone. I gotta see what size this is. I'm gonna grab the wiring off of this one. Can get it off. I'll leave that one loose for now. This one off. Oh, this is what I hear, I think. Sounds like shocking. Or something being shocked electrically, which I'm very terrified of. But there's no battery hooked up, so there's no power. All right, now I can get it off by my hands instead of trying to fit the tool in there. Now that wire comes off. So this whole terminal melted. I'm almost positive that's my issue, because when I would try to start it, it would just click. Just the starter solenoid trying to give the starter juice, and it just couldn't. So I gotta maneuver these wires so they fit to be able to get on here. All right, got that on. I gotta get the nut on. There goes my socket. I'm never gonna be able to find that. Oh, and there goes the nut. Get it all the way down as far as I can, hand tight, and then we'll tighten it all the way down with the tool. Nice and tight. Give me my tool back. Give me my tool. Why is this stuck on there? There we go. Let's do the other side. Why am I fighting? Get my tool back. Give me this. I need this. There we go. Make sure everything's on nice and tight, nothing loose. Now that's how it should go. Now this does go like up against the back wall. I'm gonna go find a bolt to bolt this back to the back wall. One of these has to fit. So now you're not gonna be able to, but I have to get this through this hole. Should do 2 of them because that's how that was on there. So this needs to be held on this back wall. Someone hold that right there. I'm gonna try and get a bolt through. Can I go down through this? If I can get one of them, then the other one will have to work. All right, that's it right there. Now I just gotta get this nut on there so it can't come off. Do the second one and see if it starts. And tighten this the best that I can so it stays up against it like this. Nice and tight. Now I gotta hook the battery back up and see if it starts. If it doesn't, then that wasn't my problem. All right, the positive wire goes on the positive. Now the real question is, will it start? Comment down below if you think it'll start. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video. Now I can use my mower next week rather than push mowing inside the fence area at my neighbor's house. So subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you in the next video.